Hi, my beautiful butterflies. How are you all today? I hope it's a great day. If not, make it, okay? Create your world. You heard? Don't let nobody else create it. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, whatever it is for y'all. Right now, I'm at the airport. I already actually landed where I was supposed to land, and I am back in Orlando. And I finally just got a chance to sit down. I'm about to eat some McDonald's. I know, don't come for me. And that's some fruit punch for you. I came on a trip with my girlfriend, but she won't be here until way later today. So I got here super early. Like my flight, I got on at 6 in the morning. Landed around 8-ish. And it's currently like 1:30, 1:40 p.m. And I'm still at the airport. I took a nap on some benches because check-in is not until 4 o'clock, bro. You know me, I ain't no morning person. And I ain't even barely sleep. I slept like an hour last night. So it's already been a long day, but I'll talk to y'all when I got other updates.
Why we just spotted each other at the same time, though? She really look like a traveler. I look regular. I'm like, why we both spotted each other at the same time?
Bro, guess I was in the middle seat, right?
Look a little hit, a little busted, you know what I'm saying? Because we came from the airport, but we clocked in the hotel, and then we ended up at a restaurant.
But it's so nice, like.
It's not real nice though. It's not a little spin in there. Body yaddy.
The next morning.
We about to catch this Uber, y'all. We out to Discovery Cove, and y'all gonna see how lit that joint is. Gabby already been there.
I'll be drinking all fucking day.
Yeah, it's all inclusive, so you feel me?
Well, I gotta wait till 10 because that's when they allow us to start drinking.
Alright, but we're gonna eat some breakfast and chill real quick before that.
And
So
see
it's
the little
cool.
flamingos and you know what I mean?
Yeah, we're gonna be chilling with the flamingos. I'm excited. I'm excited to show y'all too. And for y'all to be a part of it, okay?
Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are at Discovery Cove, and this is a pretty long line. It's what, 8 something? We did not get here at 7:30 like we were supposed to get here. Essentially, the reason why you want to come early is because you don't want to wait in this long ass line in the sun. So yeah. So how is this experience going for you so far?
Well, we didn't miss the bullshit, so we gotta go through it.
Yeah. You're right. Can't win all the battles. But anyone coming to Discovery Cove, please just arrive by like 7:30 so you avoid all this line. You eat breakfast, you chill, see the flamingos, all that on your own time, and not be outside.
Gabby
like
Productions.
All of us. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we'll show you when we get inside what the views are. Till now,
This is what you get.
this is exactly what you get.
This is so peaceful. Gotta be good at the visuals. Alright, listen to this, y'all. I'm getting the views for y'all. I got y'all. Sheesh. I'm walking through the jungle. There's a little gift shop. So apparently you wear one of these or one of these. Here's the photos. Guest services. Dolphins, Grand Reef. Here's a little overview. We in here now, and we eating. This is breakfast right now. But I'm sick because these eggs got onions in them, so I'm over here picking at it.
Mine got.
But you like that probably.
But I don't eat eggs.
Yeah, you don't eat
I just
eggs.
thought of some funny shit. I don't eat these types of eggs.
She wanted y'all to know clearly.
And I don't eat these types of sausages.
Not them types of sausage either. I actually don't eat sausage at all. Not this type. We haven't even had our first drink yet.
Yo, real shit.
So imagine what we do. It's not clean.
She got like
Oh, little pom-poms.
We're gonna get a whole bunch of sun today. For sure. And I will be loving it. I don't know if I got like cramps coming in, but it's fucking me up right now. I'm like trying.
Oh, hell no. We gotta get the lick on her before the cramps kick in.
Yeah, because I can't take no pills and drink at the same time. I'm trying to die.
Yeah. It's either the pills or the alcohol, bro. You got
alcohol paid for it already. So.
Hey, yeah. And you already know if it's inclusive. We can't let go of this opportunity.
It only happened whenever I got money. And this time because we was here in January.
We came with a group of people, and it was not it. It was not it.
No wonder I was.
Yeah, you know. We're gonna get some better clips later. You see little flamingos. How cute. Look at that. Even with Gabby in it, it look better.
I was about to say. Oh, you want to take a picture together? We might as well. It's a video, so you can just keep it recording and we just take a picture.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, it's okay. It's a video. Yeah.
Thank you.
It was on the video, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Woo! Look at it up close and personal, y'all. Nobody's in the way. No, it. You gotta shoot the other way. Oh, my fault. I ain't a YouTuber, y'all.
She can do travel vlogs and she's also a
I'm
painter.
learning. No, nothing. They didn't have these floaty thingies last time. We in the jungle. Flip the drum. Take a clip of that.
Whoa! What? What is is it? What is it?
I couldn't breathe.
Please tell me, what is it?
I swear.
Okay, y'all. This on deep, bro. What is on 8 feet? Y'all already know I'm short as shit. So this is not it for me. But that's why I got this. She's on her new boyfriend. New man's who it is. This has been so much fun. I really thank and appreciate Gabby. Because if it wasn't for her, I would have never came on this trip. Like that ass.
Dusty ass,
Yeah, if it wasn't for that, I would have never been here either. But we're not gonna talk about that. We on peaceful vacation vibes, and it's been fun, bro. And it's only our second day. And yesterday we didn't really do too much. She had to change her flight. That's another story time. She had to cancel her flight, change her flight, get another flight, and all this extra crap. I made it here late. I was waiting at the airport the whole time for like 10, 11 hours. Yeah. I was waiting for her. And then we got here and went to the restaurant and stuff. So that was fun. But today we did a little bit more. Y'all see the views? Y'all see the views? It's just so peaceful and so relaxing. And just being away from the normal hood and our reality sometimes. It's really nice, to be honest. And both Gabby and I deserve this shit. Like, we recently graduated and it's just been rough since then. Rough. It's just been rough since then. So we really deserve this vacation. And it was just me and her that just came on this vacation. So yeah, I never done that either, but sheesh. I'm gonna see a little bit more clips. And we're gonna talk to y'all. Oh shit, I'm not even there yet. I need to swim to it. I'm not getting pushed back, y'all. Oh shit, that's Hello. It's all the birds that's in this habitat. Damn, that's a lot. Sa todo. Oh, the lazy John go through here.
Yeah.
He like posing. Do we? Let me get another. Oh my God, look at that little mustache type thing. I think he said good cake because he looked at this. Gee! Look at a bunny there for y'all. A rabbit. Tell me the difference. Because I clearly am not educated. Here's Otters for you. Baby. Oh, he running out. We got little fishes here. Que huelen a mear, viejo. Dijo Gabby. Coño. Comprende. My man's coming back. These lazy ass motherfuckers never want to do nothing, but I'm gonna do all the fucking work. Like always, like the fuck. I always gotta pick everything up. Now I gotta run over here and take that shit because these motherfuckers not doing shit. Like what? Shit. And they still saying nigga. They got this cute little lounge area as well, which is super cute.
I don't know if y'all can see me or hear me or what, but we chilling. Bring the drinks. This is really nice. I would recommend for people to come here for sure. I'll see y'all later.
Alright. This is what the gear look like. Y'all see it? It's just over there.
There's just some more fishes right there.
It's stingray.
It probably got like fingerprints or something.
Hi, beautifuls. Welcome to a new day and a new Gabby.
Yeah. I'm feeling brand new today,
Look at my girl. I mean, you can't hide the ass sometimes, you feel me? But good morning, good afternoon, good day. We about to, right now we're currently walking to try and eat some breakfast, lunch, brunch type deal because our hotel don't got it until 1 o'clock and we hungry. Not only that, we want to start drinking too. Because you feel me, vacation vibes, and we need to get some food first. So we walking in this heat.
Yo,
In this heat. It's all beaming.
like,
Y'all can see our forehead shining. Look at, look.
mine's a sunscreen. I'm gonna blame it on the sunscreen.
Yeah, we about to see where we pop up to, and then we're gonna talk to y'all there. So.
We outside. I'm gonna throw with you.
Yo, Gabby too much, y'all. Gabby too much, bro. Gracias.
Me gusta cantar esta canción porque yo me inspiro, yo esta dos preciosura.
Dele.
Se dice, tu sei per me la più bella del mondo, vos sos per me más bonita del mundo, la più cara bambina, ti voglio bene, amore senza fine. Mi querido San Juan.
Ah, okay, ya.
Mi querido San Juan. Oh, mi querido.
He's trying to put Puerto Rican style.
¿Has ido a Puerto Rico?
No.
No. ¿Y por qué?
Si voy a Puerto Rico, seguro me traigo.
Se enamora.
Seguro.
Gabby about to sing it.
There's a lot of stores and shops. There's discounted attraction store right here, just in case you want to come to SeaWorld, Orlando, stuff, anything. No, thank you. And across the street from here, there's Old Town Road, which is really cool. They got some machines. They got a lot of places to eat as well over there. Coming in here. They got oh, how cute, y'all. Oh, look at the Doritos there. Look. That's cute. This should get crazy at nighttime. I know, cause we stood. Remember, we went to last time I was here. We went to the shooting range and came here to the food trucks and stuff, and it was lit at nighttime. People from all around the globe just eating around here. Yeah, but for sure.
You got options.
Yeah, literally for sure. Come here. You gotta come to the food trucks because they got everything. There goes, that's palcha juice, which is passion fruit. I always get. This is mofongo with bistec. Just steak. Mayo ketchup right there. And a little salad. And Gabby got what? What you got?
Chillo frito con tostón y ensalada. Y aquí tenemos una piragua de frambuesa y tamarindo.
Piragua, recommend. Hell yeah. Especially in the summer. We got that in DR and PR. I love.
Tamarindo is raspberry and tamarind.
There you go, translation. But we about to grub, y'all. Vamos a bailar, más que no vengan. Vamos a bailar. No more dancing after this.
Every Thursday.
So it was at this point, after a long night of drinking, that I decided that it was okay to jump in the pool at 4 o'clock in the morning, y'all. And I ain't even gonna lie, it was probably the best time of my life, okay? Adios. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. What happened? So you gotta kick it. Yeah, Jeremy. Like a Tarzan, y'all. Oh, he fucking that man up. Ooh. Ooh. Dang, go crazy. Yeah, go crazy.
Hit it.
Come on, Jeremy. Jeremy too. He wanna hold it now. Why he wanna hold it?
I can hit it. Look. I don't want to hit it.
Jeremy, it's for you. Ah.
It's for you, not for me. Not for me. Look.